Hello and welcome to Primo Trades. My name is Stephen Primo. I'm the president and founder of Specialist Trading. And in these brief educational videos that I present each week, I share with you different techniques, tips, and strategies that I've accumulated in my 46 years of trading. And then I show you how simple it is to become a consistent trader by applying them on our PTS Primo Charting platform. Now, in today's educational video, I'm going to reveal two techniques that could have helped you enter into AMC before this week's big up move. But before we start, let me share with you today's theme, and that's this. One should never buy a stock simply because it appears oversold. Think of it. How many times have you tried to purchase something, regardless of what market or time frame, and you buy it and it keeps going lower and lower, and you buy some more and it goes lower and lower? This is one of the main reasons why most traders fail. They're buying something because they've been told, or some indicator announces to them, or someone on TV or someone in a chat room tells them that it's tremendously oversold. You have to buy it. It's never been at these levels before. And so you jump in and it continues to go lower and lower, right? Well, I'm going to share with you two tools, proprietary tools that are on our platform that can really help you buy when it's the right time, because they're based off of market behavior rather than someone telling you what to do. These indications are based off of market behavior and market behavior only. So the first one are the dynamic stop levels. The second is the PET-D. These are both on our platform, the PTS Primo Charting platform. And the beauty of it is that they are one click away. So you can access them very simply by trading with our platform. So let me toggle over and show you exactly how you could have taken advantage of entering into AMC. As we see here, the stock had been going since December up until this past week or so, straight down. What happens with most traders, as we said earlier, is you start to buy when someone tells you it's gone down too low, and then it goes down even lower, and you say, well, I guess I should double up, and then it comes down even lower, and you say to yourself, you know what, I'm going to get out while I still have some money left. And it's at that time usually that it starts to reverse and head back up. So this is what happens when you listen to an outside source tell you how to trade. What happens if you listen to the actual market, a tool or indicator that's based off of market behavior? Well, this brings us to the PTS dynamic stops. Okay, what we want to do here is buy AMC. So we click on the buy tab, and it automatically generates and displays these proprietary dynamic levels. Okay, as we see here, it will track it all the way down, keeping you out of the trade so that you aren't losing money until ultimately price touches one of the upper levels, which you did here at 419. This was in the first week of January. Okay, so you could have been long roughly at the low 4 levels, and then another one was generated right here at 416. Unfortunately, you would have had to pay up roughly about 440 or so to buy, but ultimately the stock went up roughly 60% in value from where it was at its lows, roughly around the 4 level. Okay. Now, this is a very simple way to trade. What you want to do, first of all, is look for something that is going straight down and then apply the dynamic stop levels. And these are not based off pivots. What a lot of people think is, you see here, this is not a pivot high. This was not a pivot high. This one was. So was this one and this one. But they don't have to be pivot highs. They're based off of market behavior. It's a proprietary tool that can really help you get in just before it starts to take off. This is one way you could have entered into AMC roughly at about 419, and this would have been the first week of January. So you would have been long well in advance of this nice move up. Let's look at another technique, and this is something that I took from my trading days on the Pacific Stock Exchange. This is called the PET-D, okay? So all you have to do is a color bar tool that once again translates what the market wants to do. And what it does is it colors the bars either green or red. Now, the way it works is if you see a series of green bars, 3 to 5 consecutive PET-D colored green bars, that tells you that the short-term trend is up, and you therefore would want to be long. 3 to 5 consecutive red bars, therefore, tells you that the market is down. So as we look back in hindsight, about a month or so ago, we see that there were 2 green bars painted here, not enough to tell us that it wanted to go up. And as you can see, it went straight down after that. Now, after that, we had consecutive red bars telling us that we shouldn't be in this stock. Even though it's very inexpensive, could be oversold, that's okay. We don't want to be in it until we see consecutive PET-D colored green bars. So we would have bypassed this tremendous sell-off until right here last week, when we had 1, 2, 3 PET-D colored green bars telling us that the trend had changed and now the short-term trend was up. So you could have potentially gotten long roughly around the 5 level, and made a nice 1.5 in the next couple of days. Now, the PET-D is still coloring these bars green. Therefore, it's telling you that the short-term trend is still up. And if you were holding on to this, that was okay because you're in sync with the trend. See, the PET-D is a translator. It simply translates what the market wants to do on a tick-by-tick basis. And it's the best short-term trending tool that I've used in my 46 years of trading. So there was another way in which you could have entered just based off these three PET-D colored green bars. So this is how you can stay away from losing trades because you're listening to the market rather than listening to someone or something else tell you when the market is about to bottom out. So buying a stock simply because it appears oversold is really a recipe for disaster, okay? These two tools can really help you tremendously trade. And remember, they're one click away on the PTS Primo Charting platform. This is the educational platform I developed with pro trader strategies that actually teaches traders how to trade. Now, as we close, if you have any more questions, if you're concerned about anything that's on our platform, or if you're interested in what I spoke about today, please do not hesitate to contact Pro Trader Strategies. They can set you up with a payment. They can also give you more information about other methods and techniques we have. I would suggest giving them a call at area code 310-598-6677. Their trading consultants are well informed and they can answer any question that you may have. As we close and take a look at our disclaimer, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this short educational video. I hope you learned something, but most especially, I really hope that you see how simple it is to become a consistent trader if you learn how to listen to the market and apply the tools and techniques we have on our platform. Thank you for watching this short educational video, and I'll see you at the next Primo Trades video.